Today I'm going to show you how I would use storybird in my classroom. First of all, you want to go ahead and Google storybird just like I have, and from there you can go down to sign up to create your account. When you go ahead here, you have a couple options to do a regular account, a teacher class, or a kid under 13. Obviously, you'd want to go ahead with a teacher account. Come up with a username, an email that you use, obviously, and a password, and agree to your terms of service and create your account. I've already done this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on you for me. And I'll show you what my account basically looks like at this point. I have tried a couple books that you can go over to create. To create a book, all you have to do is hit create. Basically, the premise here is Storybird reverses the visual storytelling by starting with the image and unlocking the story inside. You can explore artists and get inspired and write. If you're like me and you are challenged artistically, this is a dream come true. So you can use any of this artwork that's over here on the side. You can scroll down. Obviously, there's some artwork tags that you can look at, and every time I get on here, these do change. So if there is something specific that you want, you can type that in also. This little elephant looks kind of cute. I think I'll go ahead and use him, called Lookma, no hands. If you want to use this art, obviously from here you would go ahead and click on use this art. You're going to do this for a story because the poetry actually costs money to use, and I'm really about the free. And it goes ahead and it starts page 1 for you. I think this is kind of cute and look cute with no words. You can go ahead and create a cover. I'm just going to show you how to add a page. You go ahead over here and add a page, and then from there you look for some different pictures that you could put in there that might be cute for your book, and you can decide whether you want on the left or the right, or you can do top, you can do bottom, however you want. I think this one look cute maybe on the bottom. From there, kind of a different type of a little elephant here. Maybe just type in the word happy. Whoops. Happy. And then from there, you can go on to another page. You can type as many words as you want. Like I said, you can also go ahead and save what you have. And what I have done is I have also save and close. I do not want to publish this. This is not finished. What you can do is you can set up some classes. I have went ahead and set up a class for my language arts, and I named this as Mrs. Smith's Language Arts. You can come over here and add anything you want. If you want to add a class or refer a teacher or link some classes, if you want to pay for the pro, you could do that, which might be fun if you have other language arts teachers. You could share assignments. I went ahead and did an assignment for my kids called Metaphors, and I set this assignment up, and I told them here basically they have to use metaphors in 3 pages. They would pick out their artwork, and it's due on Friday. I'm going to have my kids actually start this tomorrow, which would be a fun time for them to do during language arts. From there, you want to go ahead and get your student's name, add and manage your students. I went ahead and loaded my class in. I used the last couple letters of their last name and their first name. Their username, I used their initials and the year that they graduate. And then they're given an initial password activation, which you would just go up here and you could print, which obviously I see that this is pro, so I would probably just screenshot this and then print it out anyways to make it easy. From there, they can go into their assignments and see that. If I go back to the home, there's one other feature that I think is really cool. If I go back to you and my dashboard, as you're going through here, you can explore some different stories that's already been done. And from there, what you can do is if you like the story, you actually what you do is heart it, and if you see right here, this one has a little heart, and I read the story and it's really cute. It's called I Couldn't Possibly Write a Storybird, and as you do this, you have your hearted on your dashboard right here, which then you can show your students fairly quickly. I believe Storybird is a wonderful tool that you can use in your classroom because you could use it in language arts, you could use it in science, you could give them specific things to do based on their content skills. For people like me who are not exactly artists, this is a great way to go ahead and get your words down without having to worry about the artwork. I hope you try Storybird because it is a lot of fun. Thank you.